Hey everyone, I'm Mickey, one of the co-founders of Flair AI, an AI design platform for generating product and fashion photoshoots. You probably clicked in this video because you want to learn how to generate AI photoshoots to resell your products and clothing. Today we're going to resell this blue romper that I'm currently wearing because my own personal listings did not work. First, we're going to take as many photos of this romper as we can and then upload it as a data set into Flair. And it's extremely easy to do. All you have to do is upload a data set of your clothing photos and then click train. Our AI magically trains a model on your clothes so you can start generating photo shoots. These 3 steps completely removes the need for hiring your own models and photographers. To get started, head to Flair AI and scroll all the way down to our fashion feature. Next, click the fashion category to get started on your project. We're going to upload an entire data set of dress photos. It's important that these photos are high definition and feature the dress from different angles, though it's not necessary that you have to have a model in any of the photos. Next, make sure that you're training on a product at the standard speed and get your training process started. Now that the model is trained, we can get to the fun part, prompting. So here we start off with a prompt of a woman wearing a blue floral romper in front of a blue background. But let's change it. Let's set the vibe, and then let's put her on a boat with other boats in the distance. It looks beautiful. Now that we've generated a few good photos, let's upload them to eBay so that you can make sure that your content stands out. Why would you ever use normal models when you can get Vogue editorials in seconds using Flair? Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I always have so much fun making them. One last thought, if you are a brand or a marketplace with hundreds of thousands of SKUs, we'd like to offer you Flair AI's new fully managed AI photoshoot service. We guarantee that we can cut the costs of your traditional photo shoots by 50%. If this appeals to you, please reach out to me at sales@flair.ai and I'll get back to you quickly with a demo. In the meantime, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.